What is going on, guys? We are gonna load up the car and go to OSW tomorrow. It is the summer sleepover 3-day drift event. I'm not gonna go for all 3 days. It started today. Today's Friday. We're just gonna go tomorrow, and we want to do some drifting, but I'm trying to spend as much time with Raven as possible before the baby gets here. And it's expensive to go drifting for 3 days, all the fuel and blah blah blah. So we do have tires though, so it's not going to be too expensive. And for 1 day, I think it's pretty cheap. It's like, I don't know how much it is, but it's not that much. So we're gonna load up the car and the trailer, clean the trailer out a little bit, and I believe the car is good to go. Car is good to go. Tucker's here. Oh, and good news, Tucker just ordered the first set of parts for the first mod that we're gonna do to this S13 on the channel, and I'm excited about it. I'm sure he's probably more excited. Gotta take the front bumper off to get it in the trailer. So, if you guys remember a couple videos ago, I cut all this out to avoid rubbing, and we're still rubbing. Look at that, you can see the tire there. So I'm gonna notch this back a tiny bit and get this a lot closer, give us some more clearance. Same on this side. You can see little black spots, that's obviously the tire rubbing. And then where I fixed the bumper before, it fell off at park and cracked again. I'm not gonna fix that before we go to this event, because it's probably going to get fucked up even worse. When I get home, I'll sand it down and re-glass it. Storm's coming. Oh, grabbing all my tools that I had in the shop, because I always just keep my toolbox in the trailer and then grab the tools I need for whatever I'm doing. And then we have to load up all these wheels and tires. I'm not bringing very many because I don't plan on driving a lot, but I haven't driven since Oregon, so I feel like, you know, I should probably get some driving in. I also, big news, just got the approval to drive Grid Life next month. So if you live in Atlanta or around Atlanta, come down to Grid Life, hang out. And then at the end of this video, I think I'm going to announce some even bigger news. Big news. Cliffhanger. I don't know yet. Alright, we got the trailer all cleaned up, all of our tools put away, everything packed up, ready to go for tomorrow. I might just make this video a 2-day video. So, everything's loaded up, we're ready to roll. Almost just rolled my ankle getting out of the trailer. Alright, we got the whole gang. Raven's here. Carlos! There he is. Tucker's here. We got the trailer.
Olive's here.
Olive's here. Princess is at home. She doesn't like the track very much. But we're like an hour drive away from the track. It's 8:30, so we're making good time. We'll be there by 9:30, maybe stop and grab a coffee.
I'm already hungry. I guess I'll do this.
Alright, just went through driver's meeting. Carlos found some shade. Raven's setting up like a long lead for him. Hi, baby. The drifting has started. Got everything unloaded. For the most part. Car's dirty, front bumper isn't on, but we're just here to do some drifting. It's all good. Well, we did 2 runs on the oval on a used set of tires. The oval eats tires, so swapping those out. I never drive the oval, so we're trying to get a little bit more comfortable on that since there's a lot of seat time and nobody really driving. Yeah, this side got eaten. So we're gonna fix that and then do a couple more runs on the oval, and then at 1 switch to the skid pad, do some tandem stuff. First set, ready to roll. Car is doing pretty good. Doing some laps on the oval. Like I mentioned before, I never drive the oval, and I'm trying to get better at it. Pat gave me a little bit of advice. Keegan's right there. Look at him, this hat. Give me a little bit of advice. They drive the oval a lot. Got some oil coming out of the dipstick and valve covers, and it's going that fast. It's blowing all over. We're hauling ass on the oval, and I've got a good middle. I don't even want to say mid-high, but like a midline, and it looks good on camera. But I would like to get that bumper backed up against the wall. With my gearing, I run a 334 in the rear. It's not ideal for this track, so if I got a different rear gear, I think it would be a lot easier. But we're just having fun. Maybe gonna go do some tandem laps on the skid pad. The oval eats tires so fast. But check out this wear. You guys see that? No chunks at all. up here. Shout out to OSW for throwing another sick ass event. Always have a blast. We're all loaded up, ready to go home. It was a really good time. I got to drive the oval a little bit, which I never drive the oval, so that made me happy. And then it started raining. Raven's tired, so we're gonna go home. But thanks for watching.
I was gonna ask you a question, but I felt bad because you were vlogging.
No, what is it?
You don't happen to have a hose clamp this size, do you? I know it's small for
You gotta look in one of those totes.
your big man.
Look in there. I don't know which tote, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.